Hours before Malaysia shut its borders, thousands of Malaysian workers who normally commute to work in Singapore every day rushed to leave. Students also formed long lines at bus terminals as confusion over whether campuses would shut prompted many to try to leave too. Police stations were crowded after people were told they would require permits for interstate travel, only for police to temporarily withdraw the order. Even after the partial lockdown was imposed, social distancing was forgotten as buyers rushed to supermarkets to stock up on essentials.
People coming, rushing and crowding out the area, it's still going to spread. It's still going to spread anyway. We should be more calm.
Infectious diseases experts have watched with alarm at what's happening here. The Director General of Health has warned of a possible third wave of infections if people don't obey the government's order to restrict their movements. Malaysia has confirmed its first deaths and reported a sudden spike in COVID-19 cases in the last few days, many linked to a 4-day gathering of Muslim missionaries at a mosque near Kuala Lumpur. 16,000 people from Malaysia and abroad were there. The government says it's managed to trace more than 8,000 of them so far. But already, those who attended the event have carried the virus back to 6 other Southeast Asian countries. Elsewhere, Australia's Prime Minister made an unprecedented announcement.
We are upgrading the travel ban on Australians to level 4 for the entire world. That is the first time that has ever happened in Australia's history. The travel advice to every Australian is do not travel abroad. Do not go overseas.
The Australian government's also banned all non-essential indoor gatherings of more than 100 people. But from Hubei province in China, the origin of the coronavirus outbreak, more cause for optimism. Medical workers from other provinces who've been helping to cope with the crisis are going home as the number of new cases continues to fall. South Korea reported fewer than 100 new daily cases for the 4th day in a row. Both China and South Korea apparently demonstrating how they are winning the war, albeit with different methods. China by placing severe restrictions for everyone, and South Korea with aggressive testing. Florence, Looi, Al Jazeera, Kuala Lumpur.